Pull the sword from the world's strongest slime and win $1. Level 1.
Kid slime. Here we go. That was actually really easy.
Level 2.
Peanut butter. Yo, this one's tough. I did it.
Level 3.
The world's stickiest glue. Yo, this is crazy. Come on, we got this. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes.
Level 4.
The world's strongest slime. Here we go.
Just like this is impossible, it's also impossible to like and subscribe at the same time.
All right, we're getting there.